What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am on my way to a car show. I'm excited to bring this to you. Spring is just around the corner and I can't wait for this car show season to start. In about 2 weeks we're gonna have the kickoff season opener of the Just Joe's Chester Springs Cars and Coffee, and I can't wait to bring that to you. I'm sure it's going to be awesome, really good turnout. But I'm on my way to a smaller group show right now, so I'll bring that to you guys. Listen, what I really need you to do is hit that subscribe button, because I need to hit 1,000 subscribers in order to get a live feature turned on. I'd really like to be able to bring these shows to you live, so please hit that subscribe button. Please give this video a thumbs up, and let's go check out some awesome cars. home from that car show. It was an awesome turnout, some really cool cars. It was awesome to see that DeLorean. Dude put a lot of work into it. I can't wait to see when it's fully finished. It's going to be a really cool car. Hopefully I'll be able to do a more in-depth video when that's done. But guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like I said, I need to hit 1,000 subscribers so I could start sharing these videos and go live during these events. So please do that. And guys, I will see you in the next one.